Hi, I'm women's fitness expert Julie Lohre. A star crunch is not just a tasty treat. This ab exercise is more advanced and is going to definitely test your abdominal strength. All right, let's take it down. So for the star crunch exercise, you're going to lay flat on the ground, legs extended, arms extended overhead in an X position. You're going to bring up and touch and then back down. Up across, so reaching really high up with your hand for your toe and back down. The nice thing about this movement, you can draw your arm in for a little extra support to help you come up. And the more advanced you get, the less you want to rely on that arm. So pop up and you really feel this through your obliques and really in your whole body. All right, that is the star crunch exercise. Looking for more fitness tips and exercise demos? Make sure that you like this one and hit subscribe.